The best 3D printers are the future, and the future is now. 3D printers are no longer stuff of science fiction. Whether you have a business that will benefit from one or you simply have deep pockets and want a new toy to play with, you'll also be happy to know that they are more accessible than ever. Considering the current and potential benefits the best 3D printers bring to the table, there's never been a better time to grab one. You can use them to build complete products, make spare parts, or simply create things you'll find useful for your home, office, and workshop. And since 3D printing technology is within grasp of just about anyone, you don't have to utilize one to your advantage. Whether you're just getting your feet wet or are an expert, here are the best 3D printers range to consider. Our picks wildly vary in price, size, functionality, and use case, so there should be something for you whatever it is you're looking for. Just remember that the more expensive choices are better suited for professionals, while the best cheap 3D printers are ideal for those just starting out. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best 3D printers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic, features, and prices of each share. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best 3D printers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best 3D Printer. Let's get started with the list of the best 3D printer. Number 1. Congro Creality Official Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. Features: large build volume, mean-well power supply, magnetic build surface, thermal runaway protection, removable flexible magnetic plate. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Congro Creality Ender 3 V2 3D Printer. Features: self-developed silent motherboard, upgraded mean-well power supply, effortless filament feed-in, resume printing function, carborundum glass platform, 4.3-inch color screen, V-guide rail with high standard state to print. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Elegu Mars 2 Mono MSLA 3D Printer. Features: multi-language interface, 2K monochrome LCD, COB UV LED light source, CNC machined aluminum. Chi2 box slicer. Outstanding prints and ultra accuracy. Fast printing and less maintenance. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. Elegu Mars 2 Pro Mono MSLA 3D Printer. Features: System EL3D 3.0.2, built-in active carbon, COB UV LED light source, 2K monochrome LCD, multi-language interface, Chi2 box slicer, sturdy build quality, fast printing and less maintenance. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 5. Congro Creality Ender 3 3D Printer Aluminum DIY. Features: E-axis working, easy and quick assembly, extrusion reduces the risk of clogging and pore displacement, printer technology FDM. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. Labis 3D Printer Touchscreen for PLA, ABS filament. Features: filament runout detection, 2.8-inch colorful touch screen, max printing speed 150 mm per second. Compatible systems: Windows, Mac. Recommended slicing software: Cura, Modelite. Professional extruder. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.